did. Nice one.
Nail. See the blue on its fins?
I think he swallowed it. I didn't feel him in time, Larry.
It's a good looking fish. No way, no way. I got a Midas cichlid. Oh man. Must have.
What is that?
A Midas cichlid.
Wow.
I'm shocked that he hit the shiner.
We got a little baby one.
There's stripes on him. A good body on him. Good colors.
Oscar.
It's a marlin cichlid is
okay.
what that's called. Were you catching these?
I think we did catch a bunch of them actually.
Yeah, this isn't an Oscar. This is called a marlin.
Yeah, I thought they were Oscars.
No, that was mine.
That's what this is.
The black ones were the Oscars.
Okay.
I like to know what this is. I mean, this is weird looking.
Flash back there.
I don't know what. I thought I had a fish, and then I seen that it was hooked to whatever this. Oh, look, there's a fishing rod.
Fly rod. You pull the blind in behind you.
What is this crap? Oh, look, here's the fish. Or is that a? Oh, okay. Man,
Made for a neat picture though.
look, here's the lure. It's a Penn Fierce 3. Look, I broke the reel off. I wonder if this thing will move. I'll probably take it apart, and I thought that was a fish at first. It'd been on there, but I could have swore I felt a fish on here. Here, what is going on here? I knew I felt a fish on here. There's a fish. Some weird shit going on out here too. Huh?
You got the GoPro?
Yeah. Let me get up here because I don't want it to get in the motor. Oh man, look, a nice peacock.
Yeah. Damn, you caught the rod and reel and the fucking fish. Now that's a fucking fisherman there, boy. That's a damn
That was
fisherman.
funny.
That's a funny fucking story there.
Got the fish and the rod. This man don't play around.
Take a picture of that thing there.
Trying to get, he's, I don't know why I can't squeeze on his face.
Y'all stand up there with that one. There's a story behind that.
Let me hold the rod, Jack. I'll hold the rod up beside you.
Look, standing on the reef.
I thought I felt a fish one. That's funny.
That fish is like, thank you.
Well, he's probably been on there. I mean, the rod don't look that, been in the water that long, but it is fresh water. That was funny, because I was like, all right, I got a fish, and then I'm like, no, I don't.
What is that, Larry?
I don't know. I ain't got a look at it yet. Ain't that a tilapia, ain't it?
It's probably a tilapia, yeah.
I'm not positive. Just so, yeah, open the bail. I'm not positive. I didn't get a good look at it, but I think it is.
I think so.
Looks like tilapia Logan was catching yesterday. Big stripes in it.